All right, second graders, it is time for us to do a sprint. This is always a fun thing in class, so I'm looking forward to doing this with you today. So what I'd like you to do is make sure that you have your lesson 7 sprint printed. Now, if you're not able to print that, you can go ahead and look at what's on the screen here and write down your answers, okay? So everybody go ahead and pause me right now and get what you need, either the printed version or a piece of paper and pencil. Okay. This is going to be a 1-minute sprint, and we're going to be adding to the teens, okay? So let me get my timer ready for us. Have it set for 1 minute. Pencils ready, and begin. All right, everyone, that's your time. Pencils down. Okay, now you can either use that pencil to grade. Remember, we circle anything that's incorrect, and we are putting a check mark next to anything that is correct. So as you're going, listen for the answers, and after I say the answer, say check. Okay, let's start with number 1. 11, check. 12, check. 13, check. Okay, I'm gonna let you do the rest of the checks on your own. We're on line 4. 16, 16, 11, 12, 13, 18, 18, 11, 12, 13, 17, 17, 11, 15, 11, 12, 14, 14, 16. So that is our first column. Let's move over to the second column. We're starting with number 23. 11, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12, 11, 15, 13, 15, 15, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 12, 14, 16, 18, 13. Okay, go ahead and count the number of correct and put that number on the number correct line. All right, on to our second page. Remember, we're always trying to get a better score the second time around. So whether you're turning your paper over or going to your second sheet, get that ready now with your pencil. This is going to be 1 minute. So let me get my timer ready. Okay, begin. Sorry about Desta there. All right, time is up. Okay, so let's get our pencils ready to grade. We're starting on our first column, first row, number 1. 11, 12, 13, 19, 19, 11, 12, 13, 17, 17, 11, 12, 13, 15, 15, 11, 14, 11, 12, 14, 14, 18. Okay, that's our first column. Let's move on to the second column, number 23. 11, 12, 11, 12, 14, 11, 12, 11, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 12, 14, 16, 18, 13. Okay, again, let's go back and count how many correct. Write your number correct on the line. And then we're going to take the number correct on our second sheet and subtract the number of correct from sheet A to give our improvement score. So how many more were you able to get correct? Let us know how many you were able to improve. You can join us on office hours today, or you can go ahead and post on Seesaw how many more you got correct on the second try.